Welcome to Restaurante Freiduria La Venus. Today we'll show you how to make delicious Mediterranean dishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the flavor. Let's dive into the recipe.
Hey there, food lovers! I'm Chef Alex, and today we're diving into a dish that's, well, it's just bursting with flavor. But don't worry, I've learned a thing or two since then. We're making grilled shrimp with thyme and lemon. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Let's start with our star ingredient, beautiful fresh shrimp. Look at these beauties. Now we'll create a simple but flavor-packed marinade. Olive oil, garlic, thyme, lemon zest, and a touch of smoked paprika for that extra oomph. Toss the shrimp in this aromatic blend and let it sit for about 15 minutes. This is where the magic begins, folks. All right, it's showtime. Watch how these shrimp transform as they hit the grill. Just 2-3 minutes per side and voila! Look at that beautiful pink color and those char marks. Perfection! Now let's plate these up. A sprinkle of fresh thyme, a squeeze of lemon, and we're ready to dig in. And there you have it. Grilled shrimp with thyme and lemon. Simple, delicious, and sure to impress. Happy cooking, everyone!